Happy birthday, Badet!
Happy birthday, Tol.
Naway, matanggap mo lahat ng mga pinagpipray mo kay God. Praying for your health and safety lagi. Sana makita ka rin namin soon. Ingat ka palagi.
You have a good heart and you are a very prayerful person. And I hope na yung mga hinahangad mo pa sa buhay, ibigay sa'yo dahil mabuti kang tao. And blessed ako dahil isa kang kapatid na nagmamahal sa aming lahat. I love you. Happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Badet and Bunso. Kumusta kayo? Love you guys. Mwah, mwah.
Oh, hi, Badet! Happy birthday! Gusto ka na. Ito, nagsa-celebrate ako ng birthday mo. I wish you just take care lagi, ha? Tsaka, I know you're close to God. You've been praying. Yung relationship mo kay God, nandyan ka. Hindi ka niya pinababayaan. So, I wish you the best. And remember that I love you. Dito ako, sugorin mo. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday! Hello, Te. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy and sexy. May God bless you more and grant your heart desire. I love you, Ate Badet. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Ako po si Job. Kasamahan ni Badet dito sa Love Flag Community at nais ko siyang iparating sa kanya happy birthday and more birthdays to come. At narito si Ate Beth para isa rin mag-great kay Beth.
Happy birthday, Sister Badet. I wish you all the best, good health, happy family. Sana sa lahat na ginagawa mo, God is with us for you. Once again, healthy, happy, palagi nakangiti. Happy always, lalo na ang pamilya mo, may pray ko man na mag-bless kayo lahat. Ang wish namin, Lord, na pag-uwi mo, nandiyan ka na sa Pilipinas, lahat ng mga plano ng Diyos sa'yo, sasamahan ka niya. Just pray and be happy. Thank you.
Muli, happy birthday, Badet, and God bless you all. On behalf of Beth and Joe and the Healing Ministry, happy birthday.
Oh yeah, I love you.
Love you always and take care. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ace. Wish ko na kung ano man ang dalangin mo sa Panginoon, kung ano man nasa puso mo, nawa ay makamit mo. Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Happy birthday uli.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Kung may patso. Manatili kang maganda.
No.